Hey Team 101. In this video, we will be analyzing and forecasting for the week ahead for Bitcoin BTC USD from 31st May till 5th June. If you haven't subscribed, so do consider subscribing, as 91.7% viewers viewing my video aren't subscribed. So do subscribe me to motivate and support me. So let's begin. We are currently on 1-day chart for Bitcoin, and here we have seen a breakout from an symmetrical triangle for the Bitcoin, as we have seen a divergence which is an hidden bullish divergence, as the market was making an higher low whereas the indicator was making an higher high. And in my weekly follow up, I have told that if we have seen a breakout through this resistance line, if we see a breakout from this resistance line, which I am drawing here, which is in blue color, we can opt for going long in Bitcoin. Here I have gone long, and which I have tell in my weekly follow-up, so do check that also and do subscribe. Here I have taken my long position with the take profit some around 9,600, and I have recently closed my position. Now coming on what we should do for the week ahead, here we can expect the market to retrace from the recent resistance. Let me draw the resistance. We can expect the market to retrace from the recent resistance zone. Let me draw the resistance zone here and here. Here we go. We have seen this resistance is an quite a valid resistance, that the market is bouncing off this resistance from here also, and we have slightly seen market trying to touch this resistance, and we have seen a huge sell off. Now besides this is a normal retracement. A breakout usually occurs at the resistance with a strong selling pressure. So BTC is presently above 80% range on the daily stochastic. Let me show that also. Let me here. On an 4-hourly chart, we can see that the stochastic is above the 80. However, on daily we can see that the stochastic is above 67. Now proceeding on the chart, that indicates that the down movement may not continue, but a sideways move can be occur. The market seems to have reached the overbought region on an 4-hourly chart. Sellers have already emerged to push the price down. Here we can see here and here. The market is expected to resume its upwards movement after a short-term downwards movement by testing this resistance zone and breaking out from the resistance zone. Moreover, we can also see a ascending triangle being formed, which means the market in the near or in a short term or in the near terms can break out this resistance zone. Let me draw that technical pattern here. Let me change its color to red so it's more prominent. Here we have drawn the support in the zone. We can see that the market is continuously testing the resistance, support, then resistance. What I am expecting for the Bitcoin and where will I take my long position is on the test of this. Then what I am expecting the Bitcoin and what the fundamentals are telling me is that we can see a breakout through this. If you want to know about the fundamentals of the Bitcoin, the video would be in the I button or in the end screen or in the description, which is the part 2 or the fundamentals of gold. The same fundamental principles apply on the Bitcoin as the code currency in gold and Bitcoin are same, which is USD. So you can do watch that for knowing why I am bullish on Bitcoin from a fundamental perspective. So do watch that. The link will be in the I button, description or on the ad screen. So resuming here, what I am expecting the Bitcoin to do right now is to test this support, or Bitcoin can come some around here, some around 9,400 till 9,300, 200. This would be my trigger point for going long on Bitcoin, and we can also expect Bitcoin to break this resistance and will take my position some around here. If the Bitcoin does not take in support on the support zone, thus will go for a long over here. The stop loss would be as shown. Will take my position some around 9,300. Take profit would be some around recent highs with a stop loss of around 9,130. This trade will provide a risk to reward of across 2.50. Now moving on and another scenario can be Bitcoin does not retest this, Bitcoin directly break through this. Thus thus will take in position around if the Bitcoin doesn't test this and Bitcoin directly break out through this resistance zone, then will take my position some around 9,900 within take profit of around 10,711 and within stop loss of around 9,650. This trade will provide a risk to reward of 1:3. That's quite a good risk to reward. Now moving on in 4-hourly chart. Here we can see an upper channel for the Bitcoin. Let me draw the upper channel. Here is the resistance, is the support, and here is the resistance. Here we can see that the market is continuously testing the support, resistance, then support 50 MA, then resistance, then support, resistance, support. We have recently seen that the Bitcoin has tested the lower support, which is around 9,500. So what I am expecting for the Bitcoin to do is to break this support, test an area of some around 9,300 and then carry its move upwards, which is around by breaking the upper resistance or the ascending channel, and the Bitcoin retest the 9,800 to 10,000 resistance zone. Thus what I am expecting for the Bitcoin is to do now to break this, take in support of around 9,300, then continue its move upwards and breaking the resistance zone, which is around 9,900, as certainly when the buyer retests the resistance for a few more times, it will incidentally increase the chances of breakout. Yesterday the price was retracing from the resistance zone. We expect the market to resume the upside range after finding support at around 9,300. Bitcoin bulls will fluctuate the upside range between 9,300 till 9,800 before testing the overhead resistance. And on the other hand, if the price break out below the 9300, the upside range will be invalid. That is that the bulls are unlikely to revisit the 10,000 overhead resistance. A break below 9300 is a bearish signal. As soon as the 9300 support cracks, the next support would be around 8600, then till around 8800 range. Further selling will occur if the bears break the 8600 support. Meanwhile, BTC is at a level 58 of the daily resistance, daily relative strength index, or RSI. That indicates that the BTC is in the uptrend zone. The bulls are still in control of the market. Now we will draw a Fibonacci retracement which will clear the view more clearly. Let me draw it. Here we can see that the market has recently break through the golden ratio of 0.168, which indicates that the, let me draw it first here, till here. Here we can see that the market has break through this key resistance, which is 0.168, which tell us that the upward trend is now valid for the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin should continue its upward trend. However, what I am expecting for the Bitcoin is to test this this golden ratio again, 0.618. Let me draw it, which I have also shown you in my ascending triangle, which is somewhere around 9400 till 9300. What I am expecting the Bitcoin to test this range and then continue its move upwards. Here another entry trigger point can be the support towards this resistance, that this here. But however, will take my long position of some around 9400 till 9300. We can see a breakthrough this. That break would be a false breakout and the Bitcoin would continue its move upwards. Moreover, we can draw a fib semicircle. Let me show you. That would be drawn some around here. Here, this would give us a longer term perspective as we are on a weekly chart. Here we can see that the market or the circle of Fib is being respected by the market since 11 December 2017. We have seen a downwards move here. Market taking the support, bouncing off, taking the support, bounces off, then taking the support, bounces off. Again the market recently taking the support and bounces off. If we see a breakout through the 9300 support line, thus we can expect the market to bounce to test this lower support, which is some around 5000, which is some around 6000 till 7000. However, that isn't the case. What I'm expecting, what I am preferring is that the Bitcoin is bullish and would be bullish due to the fundamentals. If you do not know what fundamentals support my analysis, the link of the video would be in the end screen, iCard, or in the description. Do watch that. That will give you a clear picture and will give you a reason for going long on Bitcoin with my entry triggers point with stop loss and take profit. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.